Welcome to Kingston. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Mobile, you must stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go.
She got hard, you know. So you all want to know. Jada, Steph, since the clash done now, cause the clash done now, Steph win the clash. Jada win the excitement. Steflon Don win the clash.
Welcome to Selecta Foota TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless the love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and lioness, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Selecta Foota TV. We say give thanks to life, health and strength, and give thanks for another day. You know the man of peace though, the 16th of January. You know what I mean? Yes, man, big up the January people. You know, we say, yeah man, in this vlog, you don't know we have Foota Hype. I declare who him think won the war. Zine, and him give it in favor of Steflon Don based on delivery, recordings, you know, metaphors and all of them stuff there. But him say Jada win the clash streetwise because most people are say Jada, but them love the bagger mix up and you know all of them things there and personal thing with Jada talk about. When it comes to recording and all of those stuff, him give it to him say Steflon and win the clash overall. See? But me gonna make on hear Foota say big up Foota, you know Foota real G, you know. General, one thing with him stand up for him right and him speak him truth and you know what I mean, him stand for something. You know what I mean? Especially when you see the people them morality I get deplorable. You see me? And that me respect with Foota, even though sometimes I might say, you know, certain things him could address better still. But you know Foota, me done, me dopes. And one thing I like with him, he always speak the truth, what him think is the truth and rights. You see me, and him unbiased. In my view, Foota Hype is unbiased. When you do review, and for a review, yeah, particularly with Steflon Don and, you know, Jada Kingdom, two bad female artists, Foota Hype is not biased. You see me, because everything when I say relate to all of the songs, I think when me did a think in my inner self as well, you see me, and observe also. You see it, so. I'm going to hear Foota Hype still, but before that, I'm going to please go check out my EP, Welcome to Kingston, you know, because the people must say, I push the album enough. You see it, I may have the platform, but, you know, we work off for energy, you know, and the ancestors. You see it, so, yeah, man. Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Bossy Tuesday, boom, boom, I represent. Can't tire the dancer, check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, the EP is out on all digital platforms, eh? Yeah, man, say, anyway, here Foota Hype say, and, you know what I mean, yeah, man, big up Foota once more, big up Jada Kingdom, big up Steflon Don. Me would love to see them do a collab also, you see it, but here Foota say.
Alright. So, for me, Zine, and for my audience, because you know people want to hear what me have to say. Me, now, give this Steph the clash 2-1. Zine, and you know why it even more in a Steph favor? Where we are judging now, as Steph first put out her song. So Jada should have come back with better pointers, better punch, better response, cause a Steph song out first. So you have time to go come through and do what you do. You understand what I say? Yeah, cause remember Steph sang do 2 days ago and you have time and you can link and get information. It seemed like you couldn't get no more information. In that song you know, it would have come like yeah, endorse gay business. Cause one time you say Steph you're gay, stop the night, or you not say you no gay, or you not say you no fuck girl, or no, you know, yeah, say you might just send her a pussy pit and watch her mouth a drool, and that means you are envision she eat her pussy, you know. It them something then it no really work. And then you put a batty man on the intro, you say, like Jada, who's in your corner? Like, me not even gonna be disrespectful, but who in your corner, them nah move right, them not smart. You understand what I say? Like, come on bro, you have to remember a dance all you do and then remember Steph are the foreigner. Remember everybody a beat Steph says she are the foreigner. But are you a do the twanging? Like that's so weird. Like oh I'm just doing this for fun. Like a yadi where that I go. You understand me I say? So me here what the problem where Jada engineer them don't know. Jada is more of a sing-J. She's not a full-fledged DJ. Now, Stephanie is more all-rounded. Steph can DJ hard like Cartel them and Killer them. And she can sing. And she can sing-J. And she can rap. And she can drill. So, she display her versatility as a vocalist. Now when them write the lyrics them for Jada with the DJing part them, it not comfortable with Jada. So Jada more into the singing part than the DJing and speed lyrics part. So that's the problem. That's why our engineer them should have more skillful and formulate the thing them where it work for you. You understand? So I don't like Jada a bad artist, you know. She a bad artist. But where Steph a deliver and how Steph I put aggression in the DJ part them, and this is why me even have to give Steph more props from me ear the second song. If Steph a DJ so and we say she a Jamaican and we say she a mixed breed, she a go hard. When me a listen Steph lyrics them and the metaphor them is like me I listen a female Cartel, you know. And me I listen something where I do now that saying are busy them, you know. Remember Elephant the man did have a song I say, when bad man bust me gun he goes water outside up the thing goes at that Steph step back in the hear it. When Steph saw me rise me gun he goes and she up her voice to she Twinkle no really have the hardcore DJ part of the something there. Twinkle is more of a neo soul kind of singer where her melodies are fair thing and she have a voice in her key where sounds sweet when she sing. But Steffa use that. Steffa use DJ. Steffa use speed rap, meaning speed DJ, metaphoric read between the line, like Steph sang them, trigger your brain. You understand what I say? Like, yes, like, alright, if you not pay attention and just listen to Steph song, you say, fuck it. You see, when you pay attention and you listen, you say, bumbo pussy blood clot. Yo, it come like Steph trick, you know, with the first song, you know. Cause the first song when Jada come clot, I say, no, Steph not last a minute. Me I be honest, me did say Steph not last a minute. You see that bumbo clot second song there? Changed my life. Me I say, no, sir. I saw Steflon Don did sick. Alright, me I go tell you the truth. Me know Steflon Don music for a while. Remember Style G them me see the post on something and me know Steflon Don. And me see she go up on Funk Master Flex and drop a freestyle with it murderous. But my lord, you notice Steph not using a British accent? Wanna realize that Steph not using a British accent? She got hard, you know? So here I want to know. Jada, Steph, since the clash done now, cause the clash done now, Steph win the clash. Jada win the excitement, Steflon Don win the clash. Cause Jada was keeping everybody entertained. They wind up and you're so weird on the internet something shit. Me gear that. In the street, the people they are cheer for Jada more. But we are talking about in a comparing songs, Steph win. If a street you talk about, Jada win. Cause the people that love Jada, you fuck. The girl them love Jada, you fuck. You see me? But Steph win the clash. Your mother likes it now, Poochie. Sure, your mother likes it. Mother likes it. Jada Kingdom and Steph do a collaboration now. And she would say it was just music. I was just a part of the culture. This is where I want Sean Paul them understand what me say. Me not against unity, but clash still a figure on. Me would have like say the two of them do a collaboration. Me not lie, me would have like see that. Just for sure say a piece. You understand me? Yeah, just for sure say I love between two females and with talent we are sharp and we are sure talent. You understand me I say? Yeah, so me would have like them do a combination, but a Steph engineer them me want fix that combination. So Jada can vice for her part and send to them. And Steph engineer them. Cause them bad. Them bad. Who I work with Steph bad. Nikki JJ right now gonna work. It can't work. It can't work. It can't work. We can get a Steflon Don Jada Kingdom collaboration. And hear me I say, anybody that manage Jada, link me. Anybody that manage Steflon Don, link me. What you say, Sher? You think one collab can work? One combination can work, right? For the culture, right? No, talk to me now. Only think one combination can work? Mr. Chin, where you said can work, sir? Alright, see the people them agree. Me agree with that. Me think for the culture we can use a collab. But me need to talk to Jada Kingdom booking agent or our manager. And me need to talk to Steflon Don people them. So anybody have the connect, link me. Anybody have the connect for Jada and Steph, link me. Link me. Link me. Anybody have the connect for Jada Kingdom and the connect for Steflon Don, link me. Because here we're going to know, as a culture and as a movement, whenever them things come up, we're not going to make it waste. We're not going to make it waste. We're going to make the best out of it. Because right now, Jada and Steph and Foota Hype have the whole place locked. Zine, but me give Steph the winner of the clash. Me give Jada the winner of the street because them love Jada and fuck. Me don't know how she poison people. You understand what I say? So, big up on yourself. I the review that pan Jada song. Stefflon win the clash for me 2 versus 1. See me? Jada win the first round. You understand? And Steph win the next 2 rounds. You see me? So it's a 2-1 Steflon Don win. Big up Steflon Don, big up Jada Kingdom. You understand? 2 very talented artists. You understand what I say? And me love the entertainment. Me love the clash. You understand what I say? Mr. Chin, me I go join you live. What are you say, man? Yeah, 1 o'clock you say, my youth.
That's the end of this episode. Yeah, man, big up Foota once more. Fair review, and I agree. You know what I mean? Steph, London, and our engineer them mad. Right now, Foota Hype, just put them on the map, them boss again. You see me? Yeah, but big up Jada Kingdom same way too, because you see your rise, your song get too much streams. As the Foota said, that clash is good. A Jamaica culture. And it's good for both artists. You can make and break you, just you have to take the opportunity. You see me, male and female. You see me? Yeah, man. So big up Foota Hype. I think it's an honest review. And the producer them, I want to see them do the collab too, you know. Yeah, I want to see that collab that happen. Jada Kingdom, Steflon Don. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, let me know what you all think in the comment section. Would you like to see the collab? Do you think it's going to happen? You see me? I'm the man of peace. Blessed love.
The party's full of tourists. That's one thing I admire and notice. Who not there ready, I listen to one love. They are rate down a dance to rubber dub. Welcome to Kingston.